So this drama depicted about the condition of our school. So we have to think about such a thing, that what is the beautiful condition of our school and who is responsible for this. Do you really think that only government is responsible? No. It should be our responsibility too. We have to take the chance that how can we change our society? How can we change our mindset of society so that we can build our education system in a better way? So by this drama, we are here to tell you that how we have to think about us and we have to judge ourselves that how can we build our nation with a good education. So let's come together and put hands together to build our nation with a good education. Sonam, Kulturu Ram, Miss Smriti, Totaram, Mr. Himanshu, Rasita Ram, Mr. Abhimanyu, Chatur Ram, Miss Neha, Pappu Pal, Miss Srishti, Sayara Begum, Miss Sandhya, Ghanta Singh, Miss Sarvangi, and Pion, Miss Sethi. So what you have to do, basically you have to praise them that whatever they are going to do, definitely you have to appreciate them. By this act, they will perform themselves to show the condition of our educational society. So let's enjoy this drama. Thank you.
Wanna get down for the night, yeah, be mad. I just wanna feel, wanna breathe, wanna live it. Well, is it true that your love is a blessing? I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Living it all out, I got no religion. I just wanna feel, wanna love, wanna breathe it. Is it honor? Is it honor?
अरे भाई मेन लिरिक्स है अरे आजा भाई हट जा यार
सबसे प्यारी पढ़ाई लिखाई छोड़ो यार, शुरू करो तैयारी। मस्त साहब आने वाले हैं, बजने वाली है घंटी, पर हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हमको चाहिए शांति। यो क्लास हमारी सबसे प्यारी। अरे घंटा सिंह अपना मुंह बंद रखो वरना हो जाओगे फेल। मास्टर साहब ने देख लिया तो सीधा भेज देंगे जेल।
शांत रहो नालायको।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning. Good morning. Are you so students?
दिखाए सर
We will study too well today. The school inspector will come tomorrow, and we have to impress him. You idiot! Are you nonsense? Your father, mother, don't this.
नो सर।
Hold up here. अबे भैंस की dog. Not mine. Your. Sit down.
वेट सेकंड सर
Sir, students.
यस सर।
Now is your attendance time.
ओके सर।
होशियार सिंह,
यस सर।
अमेरिका सिंह,
यस सर। सर स्वीट्स मिलेगा क्या?
नहीं, बाजा, भुक्कर कहीं की, कुलचुर सिंह,
हाजिर वानी सर।
घसीटाराम,
हाजिर है खिदमत मेरे आका। आपने पुकारा और आशिक के दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो गई।
सतुराम,
Respected Guruji, according to the rotation of of the Earth and the lunar calendar. My physical presence is 100% verified, authenticated, and certified today. Sir,
बच्चा पप्पू पास
मास्टर साहब जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
मास्टर साहब जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
पप्पू हाजिर है जनता की सेवा में और आपकी इस टूटी फूटी क्लास में। हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
मास्टर साहब जैसा हो।
हमारा नेता कैसा हो?
मास्टर साहब जैसा हो।
Hey, you sit down. You are not in a politician rally. Sit down. सारा बेगा
आपने नाम पुकारा, हम दौड़े चले आए। प्रेजेंट सर कहने को हमने होठ नहीं गाए।
जरूर किसी ने तुम्हारे दिमाग चुराए। घंटा सिंह
हाजिर है सर, हमारे लिए ताली बजाओ, हमारी अटेंडेंस पर एक गाना गाओ।
पैसे नलायक
सैयारा तू तो
चुप बैठ बैठ जा रलिया
Sir, when will we food be served?
तुमको खाने की पड़ी है। तुम स्कूल को नहीं आए थे?
Sir, I fall down yesterday, so I got up.
Where you fell down? What happened exactly?
Sir, I fall on the bed, then I slept.
नलायक बेस बैठ
Master Sahib, principal say you should arrange statue and almonds for inspector who is visiting tomorrow, and also samosa for me.
अरे बिरजू उन्हें कहना गरीब टीचर हूँ। और सुनो बच्चों, कल इंस्पेक्टर साहब आने वाले हैं, तो कोई भी बदमाशी नहीं करेगा। और वो जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे सब कोई सही और शानदार जवाब देना।
sir, don't take tension. If the inspector asks me about Akbar, I'll tell the whole history from Babur to Jahangir. I'll speak such an impeccable English that his mind will hang just like a computer.
Yes, sir. I believe on you.
कल की सूरज एक नई चुनौती लेकर आएगा। इंस्पेक्टर के तीखे
आप उधर चले जाइए, शूट हो रहा है थोड़ा।
मासूम कवि के
थोड़ा उधर हो जाइए ना आप।
जवाब होंगे। उनके सामने नाकाम होने के बजाय मैं मौत को गले लगाना पसंद करूंगा।
If the inspectors comes, let him come. We are not afraid, no matter the question. All we do is recite poetry. इंस्पेक्टर की दस्तक से हम नहीं घबराते, मुश्किल सवालों से नहीं कदम डगमगाते। पूछ लो जो पूछना है इत्मीनान से, हम तो हर जवाब कविता में ही सुनाते। Absolutely right. If inspector asks any difficult question and scolds the students, then class will be joined together. Down with the inspector, down with the inspector. We will sit in outside the class, go on the hunger strike. Long life the revolution.
All of you, keep quiet.
Okay,
बस इंस्पेक्टर के सामने कोई भी मुंह नहीं खोलेगा।
Okay, sir.
And listen, होशियार and अमेरिका सिंह, you will not come to school tomorrow. You are very good tomorrow.
अरे वाह, tomorrow is public holiday for us. It's going to be great. We will just sleep at home. अरे होशियार, क्या तुम बेवकूफ हो? The inspector is coming tomorrow. He won't distribute big laddu, peda, and samosa. And the master of our slide, he will distribute. You are right about food. All right then. We will both come and see it eaten away on the last day. Thank you.
Scene has been ended, so we will start the second scene. So hopefully you have enjoyed the scene one, where you have seen that how master treated with their or his students and how students treated with him. Okay? So now we are just going to start the second scene where you will see that how inspector checked the skill of all the students and what kind of the skills students have. Okay? So thank you.
Where is your master?
Sir, you were supposed to visit today right now, so Master Sahab went out too early this morning to get good quality of daru for you. Just you have we drink after have we happy.
What educational kind of this institution? Alcohol? Daru?
Yes, ma'am. Daru, ma'am.
Okay, unbelievable. Worst institution. Sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, kids, you calm down. I ask some basic general knowledge question. Check your ability, and so if you capable, you answer me honestly and correctly. So first, tell me who is the smartest boy in this entire class? आप में होशियार कौन है?
Sir, I am the smartest student in the class. मैं दिन भर सोता हूँ और खाने में सबसे आगे रहता हूँ.
Hey, you Kumkar, and sit down. Sir, I am really smart on here. My name is actually Hoshiar Singh. Really? You are Hoshiar? Okay, come on and tell me where is the America on this map? Sir, America hasn't come to the school since morning. It's look like he is hidden on the bathroom. He hasn't come this way, ma'am. Okay, sit down. You are a smart boy, stand up and tell me what is the exact definition of noun.
So noun is the name of any person, place, animal or thing. For example, person is our master's house, place is the jail where he belongs to, thing is this broken chair, and animal is Fultur. In short, everything that is useless is a noun, sir.
Silence. You emotional character, sit down. Stand up. And tell me if 2 and 2 make 4, then what we do make 3 and 3.
सर दुनिया वाले कहते हैं कि 2 और 2 मिलके 4 हो जाते हैं, मगर इस आशिक के दिल से पूछिए, जब 2 यादें और 2 आंसू मिलते हैं तो पूरी रात खामोशी बन जाती है। ये तो जीना नहीं चाहता।
What is this? Sit down. This is a very bad.
चाहे 3 और 3 मिलकर 6 होते हो या नहीं, मेरे दोस्त इंस्पेक्टर के हवाले में मेरे दिमाग ही घुमा के रख दिया.
अरे stop this poetry, stop this madness, stop. You backbencher, stand up and tell me what will growing up to make. Sorry. No. I mean what
मैं बनूंगा, लहंगा सजाऊंगा, गोली चढ़ूंगा.
No. Don't understand my question. I ask what you achieve in your life. Or you can.
उनके लिए तो एक बहू लाऊंगा.
अरे बुद्धू, तुम्हारे माता पिता तुमसे चाहते क्या है कि तुम बड़े होके क्या करो?
वो पोता चाहते हैं.
Silence. Please tell me, तुम्हारा जीवन का मकसद क्या है?
मेरा तो जीवन का एक ही मकसद है, हम लोग हमारे को.
Please sit down. Hey, who are you? Good morning. Who are you?
I'm the biggest teacher, sir.
Cheater? Are you professionally cheater?
No, sir. Don't sleep. I am teacher, sir. Teacher.
Oh, are you cheater?
Teacher.
Oh, really? Are you teacher?
Yes, sir.
What kind of education and taught these kids?
They claim that you went to buy alcohol for me and daru.
No, sir. No, sir. You are having a misunderstanding, sir.
They all kids are mad, mental.
No. They are very intelligent, brilliant, clever, very heavenly as well, sir. You can ask them any question from science, history, politics, general, anything, sir. Anything.
Oh really? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I check their ability. I and ask some mythology question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Stand up. Well, tell me, who did Chirharan of Draupadi?
So my father did it.
What, Maria? What nonsense are you talking?
Because Draupadi is my mother actual name.
Sit down.
बचाओ पकड़ लो इंस्पेक्टर साहब, इसके पापा को, रेलिया के पापा को पकड़ लो इंस्पेक्टर साहब।
Clear
इसी ने चीरहरण किया है।
Is this knowledge? Okay, you stand up, Totaram, and tell me who broke the bow of Lord Shiva?
धनुष, I swear to the God, I nothing about this wisdom. मैं तो पिछले एक हफ्ते से स्कूल आ ही नहीं रहा हूँ। मैं तो ऑफिशियल वेकेशन पे था। जरूर ये रलिया का काम है।
Okay, sit down.
Sir, I am the most straightforward and decent girl. I have never even seen the actual real bow in my life. Those all backbenchers always drag my name into every bite of trouble situation. I didn't broke it. Let me go, sir.
No, please, sit down. Don't cry.
Respected inspector, if you look at it from a material science point of view, any one structure that is kept for thousands of years, that faces termite infestation and moisture degradation. Therefore, the must have collapsed automatically due to the gravitational pull and the structural fatigue. Why torture poor Hoshiyar? He is very innocent guy.
Okay, sit down. Is this knowledge?
टूट गया है धनुष तो हंगामा है क्यों? हम नया बनवा देंगे, आप रो रहे हैं क्यों?
What is this, master? They have zero knowledge, no about their culture, no science, no mythology, history. What is this? This is the very worst institution of this world. I call this and I complain against you, educational minister.
Come, sir. Please. Maybe in the playing they will prove the bomb.
ये सब ऑफिस में कुछ ले के खत्म कर दो।
Are you trying to give me pride?
No, sir. It's not right. It's our love. It's our love. We just want to share our love with you.
What is this? Milk, sir, cow.
A special food you use is organic and fresh.
Can I sit, ma'am? Okay, sit down.
Are you going to taste it? Okay, just taste it.
What is this? This is the taste very bad. सर एक्चुअली ये मिल्क ना बाहर छूट गया था, जिसमें एक गंदी बिल्ली ने मुंह लगा दिया था, तो मेरी मम्मी ने बोला कि इसको अपने स्कूल ले जाओ और पागल मास्टर को पिला देना, उसको क्या पता चलेगा कि
क्या नॉनसेंस इडियट। तुम मेरे लिए बिल्ली का जूठा ढूंढने गई थी?
My younger brother,
Why are you crying, weird boy?
sir, my younger brother is used to pee in this empty container. You throw my container away. What did he used to today night?
Oh God, you give to urine bottle, urine container or drink to me?
Yes, ma'am, and you throw it.
ये शिशु वाला बॉटल तुमने मुझे पिलाया उसे दूध का।
Yes, ma'am.
Stop it! What is this?
फुटले भाई पेशाब करता
I never forgive you, master, for this. This is a very criminal environment. I never forgive you, and I will complain against you too. I will go to on educational minister and I against complain me.
आपने शक्ल देखी है आपकी? तुम्हें पता भी है यहाँ एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर मेरे कौन है? ओ मेरी जीजा की बहन है। बड़े यार सस्पेंड कर, मैं भी देखता हूँ कौन मेरा क्या बिगाड़ देता है।
Thank you. So second scene has been ended now, and hope so you have enjoyed a lot. And have you seen that? Hello. So have you seen that? What kind of the teacher we are having in the school, like Charma High School, right? So this situation depicts about the situation of Sarkari school, which we are basically trying to demonstrate in front of you.
करे तराहल जरूरत मूरत खूबसूरत हो, राजा जी के करे तराहल जरूरत मूरत खूबसूरत हो, राजा जी के करे तराहल जरूरत मूरत खूबसूरत हो। इललना 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 हिंद के सितारा की तसीम हुई है, ओसे ऊपर पीएम हुई है हो। इललना हिंद के सितारा की तसीम हुई है, ओसे ऊपर पीएम हुई है हो।
कहाँ भैया है?
इसको एक और दवाएंगे Academy institution is the very worst education system, and there are children are totally mental. They have no knowledge any about history, about mythology, history, about science, about culture. Nothing anybody knows.
Let go of that anger. First sit comfortably and have some tea.
No sir, no.
Okay, I see. tea. Quickly bring the government register and file. Read out complete raw list of items to issue school from government budget over last 3 years.
This is the official government approved inventory list. The list is number 1, wooden tables, number 2, plastic chairs, number 3, floor mats, number 4,
Stop. Is Lord Shiva's sacred board written anywhere in entire government inventory?
No such board of Lord Shiva has been issued to the school.
लो प्रूफ देखो
वही खाने के लिए मांगा है।
when no sir but this is the methodology no when the government did not even provide the book then how are supposed kid broken it.
Sir, this is about, please listen to me. This is about history methodology, sir.
No, shut up. You are just harass children by asking such nonsense questions that are out of syllabus. And listen, that teacher is not just anybody. He is my brother-in-law. I will take your job. You are suspended.
No, sir, please don't suspend
No.
Forgive me, please.
नरेंद्र मोदी जब न्यूजीलैंड पहुंचे तो माओरी परंपरा से उनका
No competition.
I have two little child, sir, please.
No. You are suspended.
No,
you are suspended.
ऐसा थोड़ी है, ऐसा सीन आएगा ना।
बहुत बढ़ गया तुम्हारा. जाओ. बहुत भाव बढ़ गया है.
That's it for the today. Thank you so much. And thank you so much audience for coming here and watching this incredible and dramatical and to be very honest motivational drama. And I also appreciate all those students who came here to participate in this drama and they also acted very well. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Lingua Expert Academy, make you an expert in English language. Like, subscribe and press bell icon to get notification.